Starting back up session again. Second recording.
Sweep the SB7 real quick.
Yeah, the shorter the recordings, the more I can review them better.
We are here at Oro Grande Cemetery. It's 1800s.
I got time.
And we have several new people that have been buried here.
I'm going to go ahead and throw out the SB7 and see if we get any responses.
Our investigator Randy, he's putting on his SB7.
Wow. It's not very loud. I turned it down. My shit's turned all the way up too.
No, I turned it down.
Oh. Like this.
Yeah, RJ, he covers it up.
He covers it up because it's white noise. You want the white noise.
It's too much. It's too much static sometimes.
Is Joanne here with us right now?
I'm in your way, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I can't hear anything.
We just stopped the sweep. Stop sweeping. We didn't stop sweeping, we just went silent on here.
Hey Steve, are you here?
There we go.
Steve, are you here? Don't make me coach you out. Don't make me coach you out.
Is there anybody here with us right now making some type of sound?
We're over here. We're over there. Oh, you saw it. The light went on. Boing.
Actually, let's go ahead and we'll just cut this.
We're cutting.
If anything, we'll just wait. Maybe we can get them riled up a little bit.
I'm cutting this session of recording.